Okay, and number 5, let's take a look at number 5. It says a number between 300 and 400 is 40 times the sum of its digits. Okay, so your let statements are going to be the same, and I'm going to abbreviate, right? So let x be the tens digit, and you should write it out, but I'm going to abbreviate after doing all these. And let y be the ones digit. Now, the tricky part of this problem is it says the numbers between 300 and 400. Between, so not including. So that means the number is going to be 300 and something, right? X, Y. So the digits are going to be 3x, Y. So the value of this number is 3 times 100, which is 300, plus 10 times x, x times 10, 10x, plus, right, that's that one, plus y, right, times 1. That's the value. So this is the value, and this is the way, up here is the way the number looks. The digits are 3xy. So now let's see what it says. The number is, so they're talking about the value. So the number, that's 300 plus 10x plus y is equals 40 times the sum of its digits. 40 times the sum of the digits. The digits are 3, x, and y. So the sum of them looks like that. The second sentence says the tens digit is, that's the x. The tens digit is 6 more than the units digit, or the ones digit is the y. So there's our two equations. So as we always do, let's simplify this one first. So we have 300 plus 10x plus y equals, and I'll distribute in here, 120 plus 40x plus 40y, right? Kind of move it down there. So I'll subtract 40x from both sides. So I have 300 minus 30x, right? 10x minus 40x plus y equals 120 plus 40y. Now I'll subtract 40y from both sides. So I have 300 minus 30x minus 39y equals 120. And now I'll subtract 30 from both sides. So I have negative 30x minus 39y equals 120 minus 300 is negative 180. And now we can divide by 3, by negative 3. So let's divide both sides by negative 3, right? Just to simplify it a little. So negative 30 divided by negative 3 is 10x. Negative 39 divided by negative 3 is positive 13y. And negative 180 divided by negative 3 is 60. Okay, so that's a little simpler. So now that's the first equation, 10x plus 13y equals 60. And the bottom equation is still the same. But I'm going to solve this one by substitution. So I'm going to take the 6 plus y, and I'm going to substitute it in for x. So I get 10 times x, which is 6 plus y, plus 13y equals 60. Distribute the 10. 60 plus 10y plus 13y equals 60. So combine like terms. 60 plus 23y equals 60. 23y equals 0, right? 60 minus 60. So y equals 0. Okay. Now I need x. So I'm going to take this equation and get x equals 6 plus 0, x equals 6. So now I have x and I have y, but remember the number we're looking for is 3xy. So it's 300, x is 6, y is 0. So the number that satisfies the statement is 360.